Today I will show you how to reset DSL camera, a Nikon 356 or Nikon related all camera. How to reset? This is the Nikon. This is my Nikon D5600. Sometimes a lot of setting, abnormal setting, abnormal working, then you need to reset, factory reset. You no need to go the store. You can do yourself. Just make it auto, and you see over here, this is the power on, or make a power on the camera, and now you see the green dot and green dot, two green dot, press and hold, blinking one time. You see blinking one time, then leave it. Now we go the manual button, then you see the manual button, press and reset shooting menu. Then every time when the marking the line, in the right side, press the OK. When you see the reset shooting menu, then yes, select yes and press this OK button. Then go the other one, go the left side, and then next one. You see the next one is custom setting menu. This is custom setting menu. Now this is the right arrow, and come the mark the resetting, then press on the OK button. Then they show reset custom setting, then select the yes and then press OK. That's it, and thank you. It will help you how to reset Nikon DSLR camera. Thank you for watching this video.